Welcome to the technologycloset.com and our quick shots. In this quick shot, we're going to discuss and show you Windows 8 Event Viewer. It is an application that is run under the administrative tools. With the administrative tools on the screen from the Start menu, select Event Viewer. Now, the Event Viewer, unfortunately, is a good thing, bad thing. It will log every single event that happens in Windows while it's operating, while it's booting, while it's shutting down. A lot of these things are just routine, mundane occurrences. Some are not errors, but are conditions that could be errors. Some are errors. Let's just do an overview and look at some of these. In the Event Viewer, we have an overview, we have a summary of administrative events, recently viewed nodes, and log summaries. Many of these functions, if not all of them, for me as a troubleshooter, are not that valuable. They can point me in the right direction, but they are time-consuming to sift through, especially if the event logs are expansive, and many times they are. Many technicians will disable this function because it really is not that helpful if you have to spend a lot of time trying to determine what is causing the problem. You usually have other tools that you can go to. But I want to show you this because it does come with Windows 8. As a matter of fact, it comes with all versions of Windows in some form or another. We have custom logs. You can look at administrative events. These things are just that, administrative events, not errors. You can scroll down through some of these and you can look at them. Now here's one that is an error. However, it was a self-correcting error and it happened back in August. Here we are in November and it's not a problem. But it logged it and we'll keep it logged. We also have Windows logs that will log applications or security problems or setup or system or forwarded events issues. Applications and service logs. When we start looking at hardware events, do we see any errors here? That would give us an idea of a hardware problem. The same way with Internet Explorer. Thin print diagnostics. Well, I'm running a virtual machine, so that's what this is representing here. It's not really Windows, it's saying Windows, I can't find something. And of course, subscriptions. Subscriptions are what you want to have if you want to try to figure out what's going on, and they can be configured automatically. However, by default, they are not turned on. It's now asking me, do I want to turn it on? And I'm going to say no. This is valuable to the technical person if they have the time. This is valuable to Microsoft if they want you to do a file options. You can do a disk cleanup from the options. Microsoft would recommend this probably as a first site. We can go into actions. We can open a saved log, create a custom view, import a custom view, create a subscription. All of this information is valuable to someone. To the average user, it is not much help. I tend to want to turn it off. Unfortunately, it's rather technical to do that, but I will demonstrate that. The Event Viewer is called Windows Event Viewer, and it's a service that is running in the background that starts when Windows starts. If we open up the Super User menu and select Run, in the Run box we type services.msc, services.msc, and select OK. That will bring up all of the services that are currently running in Windows. And as you can see, there's a lot of them either running, manual, or they're just waiting, they're disabled, they're not being used. What we're looking for is the Windows event log. And as you can see, here it is. This manages the events and the logs. You can see it's automatically and it's running. It's set up to automatically run at Windows. What we're going to do is we're going to turn it off. Highlight it. Make sure it's the right one you want. Right mouse click. Select Properties. Startup type. Make sure it does say event log. We can stop the event log now by clicking Stop. By doing that, it stops the event logging from taking place while you're in this Windows setup until you reboot, and then it will turn it back on again unless we change startup type. And we're going to change the startup type from automatic to manual. We're going to click Apply, OK, and we're going to close down services. That's the event viewer, and that's how we turn it off. Well, that ends this quick shot. Please visit our website at thetechnologycloset.com. And while you're there, press the button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time.